Good morning. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss various reasons of failure to build up EMF in case of self-excited generator. This topic is from Electrical Machine 2 AX501 Unit 1 DC Machine Part 1. From the fundamentals of self-excited DC machines, we learned that the excitation of a self-excited generator is depend on its own armature EMF. And for that, there is a requirement of residual magnetism. This residual magnetism, if it is not present in the electromagnets of DC machine, may lead to failure in buildup of EMF. It has been described before that the EMF built up can take place in steps starting from a small EMF that is available across the armature that aids the residual magnetism and further strengthen the initial residual flux. This process carries on building up of the EMF and simultaneous increase in the field current in the shunt field winding. This has been properly explained in the previous lecture. In today's lecture, we are going to concentrate on the reasons for which this building up of voltage is hampered by various reasons besides non-availability of residual magnetism. Failure to build up the self-excited generator at no load may be due to one of the following reasons. No residual magnetism, field connected connections are reversed, there may be high field circuit resistance, or there may be speed less than the critical speed. The voltage buildup process can start only if there is residual magnetism in the magnetic circuit of generator. In case of new machine or the one that has lost its residual magnetism due to aging, in transportation, self-excited generator will fail to build up the voltage. There may be reason of jarring of transportation also. This difficulty can overcome by exciting the field winding from separate DC source for a few seconds with armature at rest. After the separate DC source is disconnected, the main pole possesses residual flux and voltage buildup can take place. The process of connecting the shunt field winding in a separate DC source for creating the necessary residual magnetism in the main pole is called field flashing. The small voltage due to residual magnetism should circulate current in the field coil in such a direction as to produce flux lines aiding the residual flux. If the field connections are incorrect, the flux produced by small field current opposes the residual flux and the generated voltage decreases to zero. This comes under when the field connections are reversed. So this trouble can be remedied by reversing the field connection with respect to armature terminals. In case the field resistance is more than the critical field resistance, voltage will not build up. The voltmeter connection connected across the armature terminal will indicate only a low voltage 2 to 6 volt, and this trouble is caused by an open circuit in the field or armature connection, dirty commutator or large external resistance in the field circuit. This drawback can be overcome by checking whether the field or armature circuit is open, cleaning the commutator surface and ensuring good contact between the brushes and the commutator surface, and by adjusting the external field rheostat to 0 ohm setting. In the field circuit, if the self-excited generator fails to build up, it may be due to armature speed being less than the critical speed. This trouble can be remedied by increasing the prime mover speed above critical speed.